On the day of your scheduled installation, your GPC technician will contact you by phone or text to let you know they are on their way approximately 30 minutes prior to their arrival. Your technician will arrive in a clearly marked GPC vehicle and will be wearing a GPC ID badge when they come to your door. Once they arrive, they will begin the installation process, which will consist of external and internal steps, as well as service activation and testing. A fiber optic cable will be installed from the nearest distribution source to your home. This may involve either burying the cable or running a temporary above-ground conduit that will be buried within 14 days of the initial installation and services being turned up. If you have a temporary above-ground conduit installation, you will see flags in your yard to mark the cable a couple of days prior to our crews arriving to bury it. Please leave these flags in place. Our crews work quickly and ensure they clean up to restore your yard to the condition it was in prior to their arrival. To enable the fiber, a small box called a Network Interface Device, NID, will be mounted on the exterior of the home. A fiber optic cable will be run from the NID to a second connection point inside your house. This is a small box referred to as an Optical Network Terminal, ONT, that enables the fiber signal to your devices within your home. Ethernet cables will be utilized to connect the ONT to the GPC Internet router, which is included in the cost of your service and enables GPC Whole Home Wi-Fi to maximize your wireless signal throughout every corner of your home. Once the above steps are completed, your GPC technician will activate your service and test to ensure everything is working properly and provide you with applicable setup instructions and login credentials. At this point, you are ready to stream, game, work, and learn from home without lag or buffering on all your wired and wireless devices. We know you will enjoy your GPC fiber services and appreciate the opportunity to have you as a valued customer. If you have any further questions about this process, please contact us